Garrett County, Maryland. All right, it is accepted offer price $42,020, 18 acres. Thank goodness I'm seeing the access. Okay, physical and legal access from the south, paved a half mile away, gravel to the property and dirt onto the property. Immediate properties to the south have homes on them. Other adjacent raw land as well, 5 to 20 acres. Power lines run to the west of the property. I'm sure we'll see that in a minute here. Trees covering the lot, 3 miles to a popular lake town, 5 miles to a ski resort, 4 miles to a golf course. So buy for 42, sell for 99.
So
All
far,
right,
so good.
Maryland. Okay. I love that river, whatever that is too. I'm picking up on some slope only on the south part.
Me too, right here.
Uh-huh.
See how
Okay.
this you can tell on this map that whoever put the structure here there graded this lot. That tells me that this county or municipality is open to grading.
You open that up before you go away, if you don't mind, just to see. Okay. Oh, look, that's one of ours. That's what ours looked like. $1. That was like
Like
family
children
member.
deed each other property for $1.
Look at, well, here we go. Neil put it in the name of Neil and Wayne,
Mhm.
and they just put $1 on there. All right, so they've had it for a while. So that was 99, I think. That's really cool.
So there's a lot of vacant property around here. That concerns me a little. So let's see if we can justify the numbers.
Can I sell 18 acres for 100 grand?
Active properties of all sizes, 34 in the zip code. 89 sold. That's good. Cheapest property, 1 acres, 1,000, 3,200. These are little HOA properties. You've got
110.
20 acres here. It's almost 20.
Okay.
Ten acres, 34. 400 acres. I wonder if this is right. 72. 25 acres, 100,000. That's a real similar property.
Yeah.
$12 acres for 60. This is the lowest active property. So this is your competition. 85,000 for 24 acres. So I like it. I think it could be a little cheaper for Jill, but I like your sale price and I like your acquisition price. I need to know about usability if it's what would be needed.
I want to see how they're selling. So May, I can handle this. May, see, this is what happened. They listed at 145. They eventually, they went pending. They kept dropping the price. They went pending. So this was the magic number, but they offered 111 and they took it.
Yeah.
So 25 acres, 111. So it's going to be, you know what, Kevin, I think it could work.
So do I.
But do what Jack said. And I want you to call a couple people, not just one. Like, I really want to call like 3 people in the area and get them all on the same page. Like, you know, one says 90, one says 99, and the other one says 105, whatever it is, what they really think inside of 90 days. Then I'm like, all right, now I'll buy it for 42. This is good.
We love when it's deals like this and we're like, yeah, we would buy it.
Yeah.
You know, very often it's like, we need to find out this, 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 and this. I just love when it's like, yeah, we'll buy it.
Okay. It's kind of how I go. You know what? My deal funding stuff, it's not a lot. There's not a lot of back and forth. Most of the time, it's kind of like, yeah, I see it too. Do it. It's like I usually have one question. Can you find out this? Can you find out that? And then it's like done. We hope you found our content valuable and we appreciate your support. If you have not already, please check out our channel and hit the subscribe button.
And your comments and suggestions help us to create the content you're here for. Hitting the like button helps to support our channel's algorithm and gauge your interest for future shows.